Treat yourself to a test drive in the 2011 Jeep Liberty. A 3.7-liter V6 engine pairs with a sophisticated 4-speed automatic transmission, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. 4-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. Top features include a split folding rear seat, front and rear reading lights, a tachometer, heated door mirrors, and cruise control. Jeep ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. We'd also be happy to help you arrange financing for your vehicle. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.